I think I did it, right, Megan? Megan, right? Is it blended?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good enough.
What? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Did you forget what my channel is?
Just Meg.
It's not just Meg anymore.
Megan Hayes.
Nope.
Marie Megan.
Megan Marie, thank you very much.
Sorry,
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have little Miss Ellie back on my channel. Today we're going to do makeup roulette, which this is a video that I saw on, I believe it was Nikki Tutorials and James Charles that did it. And I think there was a lot of people that did it before them. But that's the video that I saw, so we are going to be doing that challenge today. We have a hat full of different things. We're each going to pick 5 different challenges to do. Some of them aren't really challenges, they're just really stupid things to do to your face. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you're interested in seeing how this challenge turned out, definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment before you leave, and let's get into it. So this is the hat. It's Ellie's hat, because I didn't own a hat. Oh, I'll draw one and then you draw one.
Okay. Okay, I got put on powder before foundation and concealer.
I got set entire face with highlighter.
Contour, blush, and highlighter with Zulu. Okay, what's your next one? That's not that bad. That's not that bad.
My next one was other person picks a product.
Other person picks 4 eyeshadow colors for you to use.
I was hoping I'd get that one. Use all the colors in the Saharan 2 palette. No.
No mirror for face makeup.
Reverse contour.
Use eyeliner for lip liner.
And do makeup with opposite hand. So that's like face makeup with my opposite hand.
Wait, use red eyeshadow to fill your eyebrows.
This one's set lipstick with black eyeshadow.
Okay.
We might incorporate these. We might not. We'll find out.
We'll see. So this is what I'm using first. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. How do I do it?
Just spray your face.
Oh, that's terrible.
She's using our mom's makeup.
Well, only her concealer and her foundation because I don't own any of those things. So are you gonna start telling them about your hair?
I'm just using the Farsala Unicorn Essence to prime my skin.
And since I have put powder on before foundation and concealer, I'm using the Airspun.
This is just primer and it's already
Airspun
hard.
Loose Face Powder. Oh, I can't use a mirror.
For foundation, I am going to be using my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I don't know if it's going to focus. Okay, so I'm going to use my sponge and... Oh, crap. I put it on the wrong hand. Crap. Okay.
Are you supposed to use your opposite hand?
Yes, I put it on the wrong side.
Okay.
So I put all the foundation onto the sponge, so now I can use my opposite hand.
Okay, is my face good, Megan?
Good
So I'm done putting on the face powder. Now I can put on my foundation, my mom's foundation. Oh, this is gonna be way... Oh, I'm just so pale now.
This is doable, but I don't like it.
What?
It feels weird.
What are you doing?
My left hand. If you want a brush, you can use a brush. This might be easier for you.
No. I'll do it like the professionals.
Alrighty.
Huh? Oh, I can't look in the mirror. It's so sad. I'm trying to, though. What? Megan, stop.
Ellie's not allowed to wear makeup until junior high.
Well, I can wear makeup. I just don't like to.
Yeah. Well, you can't wear it at school.
No, I can't wear it at school.
Fun fact, if you use the bottom, where it's like round, it's easier to put on your skin. So like, no, like
I
this.
don't know, Megan. I don't really care. That's why I do it.
Oh crap, I have to reverse contour too. I forgot. So I have to reverse contour really quick. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty. Oh god.
Okay, I think my face case is good for foundation. I'm done with foundation.
If you don't know what reverse contouring is, it's putting the dark in everywhere the light's supposed to be.
Anyways, now I'm using concealer. Wait. So now I'm doing concealer, and it's called the NARS concealer. I don't know. Again, I can't use a stinking... Is this out, Mom? I know you put this under your eyes, so I'm pretty professional.
I'm just going to use this brush to blend it out. Oh, I have to do it left-handed too. Crap.
I think you put this up here, so that's what I see in the videos. I hope.
You don't even watch my videos.
I'm not yours, I watch other people's.
That's rude. I just gave myself a beard if anyone was curious.
Now I'm going to do my contour, blush, and highlighter with the Zulu palette, and that's what it looks like. And then the inside looks like that. I know what this is. It's brown, okay? Right there. You put it right there.
I'm going to take this fan brush and my moonstone highlight and set my face.
Is it giving me anything? Yeah, it is. I can see the dot. I hope it's like blended enough. You know?
Using my Wet n Wild duo.
This is very pigmented,
I'm just going to set under my eye.
So pigmented. Okay, now I know you put this stuff on your head, like on your forehead.
You probably wouldn't because you have a smaller forehead than I.
I have a big forehead.
Not really. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot.
Okay, done. Now I look like a baked potato.
I just look
Is there a blending brush?
not right.
Megan, I want you to use this for your blush.
You're mean. Look at what she picked for my blush. That color right there. I'm going to take my blush brush here. I need to wash all my brushes anyway, so this is an excuse for me to do so. I'm just going to...
I just watched. I'm very
Oh,
sore.
yes, Ellie.
What? Yeah, you're slaying the blue. Okay, but I know where to put this. You know why? Because I watched you where you put the dark stuff. I'm so smart. Okay, now Megan, I need to do my highlighting. So can I have a highlight brush?
Right.
If you're wondering what I use for I'm using for highlighter, I'm using this like pinky tone. Oh, I cannot hold it. This pinky tone and this green. They're both sparkly, and I know highlighter's supposed to be sparkly, so yeah.
That's really pigmented. I didn't think it would be that pigmented. I look like a clown. A
I know
majestic blue blushed clown. I'm going to start going across and kind of just adding these in, hoping it's not going to look super.
Whoa, is it putting blush on my face?
Yes it is. So I'm starting with the red shade in the outer corner to start blending it in.
Now I need a blending brush.
Yep, that's what I wanted to happen.
I think I did a pretty good job. I look better than you.
That's because you picked blue blush for me.
Megan,
Yeah.
pick 4 eyeshadow colors for me to use.
Okay, hold on. I want you to use this green, this yellow, this one, and that one.
You do not know what a fashion statement is.
I need to put on mascara, but she took the mirror away, so I'm just going to do this like...
Crease color. Looks fabulous.
Okay, will you be more on camera, please? But if you guys want to see like a series on, or like some videos on me like teaching her how to do makeup, let me know in the comments down below.
The colors I'm choosing are not my choice. They are Megan's choice.
Let's round this out with a purple lipstick, you guys. I think it's metallic too.
I'm just gonna use that one. You have to set it with black.
Mm-mm.
Oh, we're gonna use these extra. Yes, we are. Oh, that's way more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. I need a makeup wipe. I totally just messed up.
No, you don't get to start over.
Your lipstick is so off. You just set it with black.
Fine, Ellie.
I'm done with my
Do you think we should get them to comment down below who did better?
Yeah.
That would be a good thing, huh?
They're all gonna say me, so it'll be a great thing. Now I have to use eyeliner for lip liner. And do you have any fun colored or something?
Nope, I have black.
The first time went well. The second I went great.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We had a lot of fun doing it, painting our faces, and doing a lot of weird stuff. There's a lot of challenges in here that I wanted to do, but they all fit into one video, so that's awesome. Ellie's turned out pretty good for her first time ever doing a full face of makeup.
No, but this is like the weirdest challenge ever.
It is kind of the weirdest challenge ever.
Okay, I'm taking it away.
No, don't!
Bye! Make sure to subscribe to Just Meg and
Megan Marie.
Make sure you subscribe to Megan Marie and like the video if you liked it or didn't like it. And comment below who did better. Comment below that I did better than Megan. So yeah, bye.
Yeah, comment down below who you think
See
won.
you later, alligator. In the wild crocodile.
Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.